Well, today's Sunday brunch is going to be all about good looks, and good looks. I'm going to be meeting two incredibly good-looking and talented actors over a delicious Sunday brunch. Aditya Roy Kapoor and Disha Patni. Welcome to Sunday brunch. This is the show जहाँ हम बहुत खाते हैं, पर आप दोनों को देखकर, इतनी fit bodies देखकर, I don't know what even to order for you guys. आजकल आप लोग खाना खा रहे हो या फिर?
आजकल हमारा हालत इतना भी बुरा नहीं है as compared to when we were shooting the film. उस टाइम पे तो we really had to zip our mouths.
We eat, of course we eat, but you have to choose what you're eating. That's it.
Right. So what's your current diet like? आजकल?
Protein, carbs, I guess. That's it.
Okay.
Wow,
that's
No,
nice.
if you can get into some detail, you get some great tips from her. You have to
ask
just ask
him.
the right questions.
Ask him.
Or
Do you guys share any dieting tips with each other?
no,
then?
I think
We
we have very
do.
different diets.
We used to discuss our diet.
I remember when we were shooting the film, you were doing intermittent fasting. I wasn't doing that.
Yeah.
So she was somehow, it was amazing how she managed. But you were doing what, 18 hours?
18 hours.
18-hour intermittent fasting, shooting 12 hours a day, doing lots of strenuous stuff. So
No, but he was, how many calories a day?
I was on 1500 calories.
1500 is honestly nothing, and usually I eat 1500 like on a regular basis. And a guy like him who's
Right.
tall, and especially I think guys need to have more calories. He was just having 1500, which is nothing. So I don't know how he used to eat.
Yeah, but I can't function if I'm feeling if I'm hungry. So with intermittent fasting, what happens is you don't eat your first meal till what, 4?
It depends, yeah.
Around 4.
18.
My mind doesn't work. So I like 1500 calories. If you break it up through the day, at least you get little bursts of energy,
Right.
which works for me.
Yeah, as an outsider, it feels like you guys are having fun, you know, shooting at different places,
Yeah.
but to get an insight into what it takes really. Aditya, you're actually a Mumbai boy,
Yeah.
if I understand correctly. You've gone to a school in Colaba.
Yeah, I grew up there.
So you're a total Mumbai boy.
Absolutely. I've never even studied abroad. I've lived here all my life.
Yeah. What do you like the most about Mumbai?
Well, it's funny to say it because it's just home. So it's a place that's so close to me that there's everything. My family is here, my friends are here, my work has always been here. So it's just home.
Yeah. और कुछ आप मुंबईया भाषा में कुछ बोल सकते हैं for our viewers?
ऐसा क्या बोलेगा भाई, मतलब
Hey, you should do your.
कुछ ढंग का पूछने का भी है तो नहीं, that's my very bad.
No, he does one more. Do that. One
That's
more.
a Gujarati
Do.
accent which
My mother told me not to do it.
I don't think I'll get into it, but yeah, I love the food, like our local food, obviously.
Yeah, like
the
so-
street food is where it's at, right? In Bombay, your pani puri, dahi vada, vada pav, and you get a good version, our own kind of dosa over here. So your misal pav and your rolls, your anda burji at the Churchgate station, and there's loads of things. So you keep discovering new things and new places.
And Disha, what about you? You're from Bareilly, right?
Bareilly.
Yeah, Bareilly. So how's life been in Mumbai? Have you tried those street food delicacies
Yes,
that Aditya
yes.
just spoke about?
I think vada pav was my fantasy when I came to Mumbai. I was like, I have to try this vada pav because in every Bollywood film you see this vada pav thingy. When I tried, I was like, okay, there's vada and there's pav. So I was like expecting a little bit more, but it was fun.
But there's also the chutney and the masala.
So I
and all
didn't try the
that's what
chutney
makes it.
one.
Oh, you did try the
Later I tried the chutney
फिर
one.
आपने
from
मुंबई या वड़ा पाव नहीं खाया?
नहीं खाया.
Later I tried and I fell in love with that.
Pav bhaji on the. My mind is now on. It's lunchtime somewhere.
No, we're going to get lunch
You
for
get
you.
something,
Yeah, but उससे पहले मुझे ये जानना है कि बरेली में life कैसी है? Is it very different than Mumbai? Do you miss
Yes,
it
yes.
sometimes? And
I'm used to Mumbai, I think now. I like being busy, and
Yeah.
Mumbai is such a fast city. I mean, it's like you don't have time to breathe or time to see anything.
Yeah.
Bareilly was my schooling. I've done my schooling from Bareilly, and it was fun. We had our places, small joints to eat, like those old school chocolate pastries and stuff like that. And I used to be on my scooty, and I used to go around and eat everything actually.
और वहाँ पे कुछ खाने के लिए is there anything special like for Mumbai? Aditya mentioned there's vada pav, pani puri.
There's
अगर मैं-
lassi.
So what is it
there's
actually?
lassi.
It's not barfi.
Mithai is very
Mithai
nice.
also?
Lassi is
Lassi.
amazing. I've actually also stayed in Lucknow for a year. And
Oh,
Lucknow
okay.
is also amazing. You should try tunde kebab.
I've shot there.
There's
So
one basket chaat. Oh,
Yes.
it's like this whole basket of chaat and everything. It's so good. Oh, Lucknow is amazing.
Looks like you guys are hungry now.
We're very hungry.
Yeah,
So
we're
I think
getting
it's
there.
time to call for some food.
Yeah,
but
something.
don't worry, आज हमने आपके लिए
Don't you
diet
start.
friendly food ही मंगाया है.
Okay.
But we have a fun game. Let me know if you're up for it.
Yeah.
So first we're going to blindfold Aditya and you have to feed him and he has to guess what he is eating.
Sure.
Yeah,
can
are
do
you
it,
okay
yeah,
with that?
I'm fine.
Okay, and then later you're going to
Same thing.
blindfold you. Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, let's do that. Let's test your taste buds. So you have to feed him and he has to guess what he is eating.
Ah, okay. So I'll start with the same.
Okay.
Easier. Okay, open your mouth. As expected, sorry.
Is there some kind of cheese?
What cheese?
Yeah, very close. You just have to guess which. Do you want one more bite of that?
No. Cheese, yeah.
No, what kind?
What
There are
kind
100
of cheese?
different
No.
kinds of cheese. Which kind of cheese?
Feta. No.
Yes,
Ah.
well done.
Okay.
Okay, I have to be just
Disha,
careful.
give
You
me
want
the
a
less
spoon?
calories.
Yes,
I
yes.
think I should take a spoon probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just... Come. Ek to just be still and not like diagonal. Ye this
Bhel puri.
No.
You
But
like
yeah,
the
it has
taste?
a bhelpuri
Okay.
twist to it. So you are.
Yeah.
This is bhel.
No, he loses. He loses this one.
Okay, you get 1 point. This is quinoa chaat. It has a nice
Oh.
bhelpuri twist to it though. Disha,
Okay.
it's your turn now.
Okay.
You're lucky actually. I'm getting a good one.
Yeah? You also got good one. Okay.
Arey yaar.
That's going to be a really
Just
big
don't.
bite.
No, don't give me
I'm
a
not
big
giving
bite.
you a big bite, but I have to give you
Just-
all the elements
No, just give me half.
for you to know what it is.
No, you just guess one element,
Disha,
honestly.
just be blindfolded.
He's nicely making a bite for you.
Oh God, I'm scared now.
No, it's a small bite. Okay. Just 1 second. It's
Then
a
it's a
fork. Be
serving.
careful. Just slowly. Yeah, have.
I don't like this one. I know what it is. Tomato,
Yes.
cheese,
Which cheese?
Yes.
feta. No, not feta.
Feta.
No, it's a different cheese. I'm for sure it's some tomato. Is it?
Yes, yes, it is.
There's one more vegetable.
But the
or
dish
it-
is called something.
Dish, so you also didn't guess, so it's fine.
Burrata.
Burrata?
Yeah.
I was like burrito.
Okay, wait now. Wait, you can't open your blindfold because
Oh.
you have one more dish for you.
That was hard. Okay, nobody can guess this.
Okay.
Okay, this one should be easy.
Chicken,
Yes.
What kind?
grill,
No.
No.
roll.
No. Is this? You didn't have any roti in it.
No, but it's like a roll kind of dish. Shawarma.
Wrong.
No, it has to be shawarma.
The most famous chicken here.
Indian style?
Yes.
Ah.
Butter chicken? Tandoori chicken? Tandoori chicken?
Yes.
Same.
Okay.
Chicken tikka, tandoori chicken. Same.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Well
won.
done.
I won. I won.
So you guys, please feel free
Yeah,
to
we need
grab
it.
a bite.
I did better job. I guess chicken. I guess.
Chicken and tomato is not the dish. Chicken and tomato are the
Did
ingredients.
you say what dish? It's
I could have
Greek
said
salad.
kanda.
Did you say? Did you say Greek salad?
I said feta. You didn't give me the salad. You gave me only the cheese.
Yeah.
How will I guess the salad?
taste of
That's
it.
why I gave you
not bad.
everything.
This chicken actually was nice.
Yeah, you want to have that?
Chicken was good, no?
And Disha, I believe you were pursuing engineering before you became an actor,
Yeah.
right?
I dropped out.
Oh, you dropped out.
Second
And your
year.
father's a DSP and your sister
Oh,
is
you
in
know
the
it.
army.
I was.
Wow. How was it when you said drop the bomb that you want to be a model or an actor?
It was so honestly. I mean, I was damn scared of because my whole family is very like academic, studying, and you have to be something. So I remember the thing is actually while I was studying, I started modeling and I was traveling. I was at Noida, both the places, and then I used to travel from there to Mumbai for a day or two, and I used to get some jobs like TV commercials, and then I used to also audition for a day and I come back. So I was
From
doing
Lucknow, you used to come to Bombay and go back.
only once. Then I was in Noida because I wanted to get my transfer from Amity, Lucknow to Amity, Noida. So I was there. I kind of got it, but then they kicked me out because my attendance I was running short.
Right.
We had a very strict rule in our college that 75% you need to have your attendance and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So to a point where I had to choose between college or modeling.
Okay.
And because I started making money, I was like, I'm independent now. I was pretty young. And I was like, no, maybe I should try. And I think my mother really pushed me. And she said, do whatever you want to do. I was very surprised. And my father, I think she spoke to my father and whatever.
Yeah.
But they were always very supportive.
Yeah. Did you use any of your education in your career now?
I actually used, you know what I do? I keep asking people questions on science because I was a science and math student.
Wow.
Keep asking what is mitochondria, what is nucleus. So I kind of use that as a game, but not really.
Okay.
But I think it's nice to have some knowledge about few things.
Right. And Aditya, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe you wanted to be a cricketer.
Yeah, that was very early on.
Okay.
I kind of let go of that dream a little early in life, but I definitely did. I was very serious. I took my cricket very seriously. I used to go for practice early morning for years. But then I wasn't good at studies, so the tuitions became so many that I didn't have time anymore for cricket. Yeah, I was going from one tuition to the other. And maths, Hindi, Marathi, name it, and I had to go for tuition. So I lost touch with cricket there, unfortunately. And then in college, I got into other things.
Right.
Yeah.
And then you started VJing as well, right? You
Yeah.
were also a VJ at some point.
I was a
in
VJ
time.
for many years, for four and a half
He
years
was
I
a
did
famous VJ.
that. I don't know, infamous or famous, but I was a VJ on Channel V.
Right.
Yeah, that was a very fun job. Yeah, I really enjoyed that that whole time.
Yeah. Now, in this film Malang, you guys have been doing a lot of adventure sports, but is that something that you guys enjoy in real life as well?
Well,
I do enjoy. I think he
I
enjoyed it.
enjoy it.
also.
I enjoyed it. I haven't done that many, but yeah, I enjoyed whatever we did in the film. We got to learn new
Yeah.
things, and that's
It
one of
was
the
fun.
perks of being like of the job. You know, you get to learn new things.
Yeah.
And
So,
fun.
was skydiving fun? I guess you guys have done that as well.
Well, skydiving
Was not fun.
wasn't. No, the way we did it. No, that's another story. But
what's the
apart from that,
story?
yeah, there was kite surfing that we did.
Kite surfing was
Okay.
really hard, I must say. But it was the most fun also.
Okay.
Yeah, it was because it
We
was,
were, and also we were very competitive.
Right.
So it was like, okay, you did that. You know, the launching of the kite is very hard. So
Right.
we had to learn that. So we were just like, who can do it faster? Who can do it first? So we're a little competitive, I guess.
No,
there.
but that's why she's an absolute trooper. She enjoys the whole thing. I think you like adventurous things.
I like,
right?
I
So
like,
this
I
was
like.
right up her alley. Yeah.
And in fact, in your film Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, I mean, a lot of people get so much travel inspiration by the character Ranbir Kapoor,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
Are you a traveler in real life, or
I am. I've done lots of travel alone. I enjoyed the backpacking way of doing things. It's been a couple of years I haven't dusted off my backpack and gone off on a trip alone. But I do enjoy a lot. I do enjoy travel a lot. And
Yeah, any favorite destinations that you may have?
well, honestly, Goa was always the place for me when I was in my teens and earlier year, like my early 20s.
Yeah.
I used to go there all the time. But otherwise, yeah, I did a crazy long trip to Hawaii. I went there for like 2 months and just
Really?
By
Yeah.
yourself?
By myself. I was there. I was just staying in hostels and like I learned some windsurfing there.
I
and
want to ask you, what were you doing in Hawaii?
I was just going to the sea every day, going to the beach every day, jumping in. Like I
Wow.
did some diving. I did some cool stuff. Lots of things to do over there. The people over there have such different lives that are so physically, they're so physically fit because there's so much to do over there. So I enjoyed that time.
Yeah, what about you? Do you enjoy traveling, and
Oh,
have you
I-
ever done solo?
Solo, not really. I mean, whenever I've gone for jobs or some kind of shoot, just post pack up, I used to just go on my own and just explore the place. But I like traveling. I like the part of being there. I don't like the airplane traveling.
journey,
Yeah, I
basically.
don't like the journey, but I like the part when I'm there.
Any favorites?
I think I recently went to Japan, Tokyo and Kyoto. It was really nice and beautiful place, beautiful people. I love beaches, so I like Maldives a lot.
Right.
It was beautiful.
Okay. Can we play a quick game, 5-second fire?
Yeah.
Where you have to ask questions to him and he has to reply in 5 seconds.
Okay, okay.
I'm going to keep the counter here, okay?
You
Have to
have
live
to
up to it.
answer. You have to be cooler in answering. Like in the sense, like you should give like interesting answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
I'll try my best this year. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. 3 things you do on your bed.
3 things I do on my bed. I am
Interesting
reading,
answers.
I am watching TV, and I am sleeping.
Okay.
Made it just in time.
3 things in 5 seconds.
3 female actors you find stunning.
You, Deepika, Katrina.
Very good.
3 things you can eat right now.
I can eat chicken tikka, burrata, and what is that bhel called? Quinoa bhel.
But you've not been eating, so maybe this answer is not true.
Out.
See, she's very competitive. Right? She
Three-
wants to slash you.
3 words you would say when you are angry.
They can't be said here, guys. They can't be said.
Just say the first letter of the word.
No, I'm saying better not.
Out.
Shit, idiot, stupid, fool.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Now, अच्छा. आजकल first standard के बच्चे भी ये सब नहीं बोलते.
Okay. 3 other words for hooking up.
3 other words. I don't know. People call it Netflix and chill. Now they say Netflix and chill. 3 words, Netflix and chill.
I don't have no idea what it is. honestly.
Okay now. So Disha, it's your turn. And remember, you have to make the answers
Okay,
Interesting, huh,
Okay.
Disha?
None of your answers were interesting.
So
Not
sorry
even
to
one.
disappoint. 3 things you would tell yourself in the mirror.
that I look so bad and
I look so bad.
That's what you call a brain freeze. Name, but you can.
Okay,
You
I
have
have
more
to calm
time.
down. I have to calm down.
3 things that you would tell yourself in the mirror.
That I'm looking so bad. I have to do a lot of workout and then I have to eat healthy.
Come on, you can't tell yourself you
She
look
would.
bad.
No, I think she constantly does that too. Keep herself motivated. Yes. Name 3 things that are yellow.
Dress, shoes, wall.
No. Things that are yellow, like sunflower sun
I
and
think they're also yellow walls.
anything that is yellow. Knife.
He's wearing yellow t-shirt. Knife.
Okay. 3 things you would only do in private.
Go to the washroom. Dance.
Dance?
You dance privately also, no?
Only do in private. 3 things you would only do in private.
Okay. Go to the loo.
Sing.
Oh yes, sing. Tell me.
And what is that hair movie thing?
Oh,
Wax
that's
or
why.
whatever.
Waxing.
Yeah,
I don't. Yeah, I've stopped waxing, but yeah, waxing.
That's
Okay.
a good answer.
He knows it.
She won't
He
sing
knows.
for anyone. But we'll get it out of her. Name 3 things you forget often.
People's name, phone number, and to call back someone.
Correct?
I was good with that.
3 people you last spoke with on call. What? 3 people you last spoke with on call, yeah?
Shivani, my mother, Mohit sir.
Okay, well done. Not bad. Both of you played really well.
Who won?
Disha won. Big hand for
No.
yeah.
See, a couple of answers he skipped. At least you tried giving all
yeah,
the
at least I
answers.
tried.
So,
I was-
blind tasting was won by him and this one by you.
Chalo na.
Chalo, ek de diya, ek.
Chalo guys, wonderful chatting with you.
Same
and
here.
look forward to your film Malang and wish you all the best for that.
you.
Thank you. Guys, please go and watch
Watch
it.
it.
We've had a lot of fun making it. Hope you have as much fun watching it.
That's what we
Yes,
had.
for sure. Let's finish this Sunday brunch that we have right here.
Let's
For
get those.
sure.
Yeah.
Some burrata.
Burrata. I was like burrito.